Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question which says which protein is helpful in treating lung diseases? Option A alpha 1 antitrypsin, option B beta toxin or Bt toxin, option C lactalbumin, option D all of the above. Now let us understand the question. It says which protein is helpful in treating lung disease. Okay, so we have to look for the protein which is necessary for treating lung disease. So let us take first alpha 1 antitrypsin. Alpha 1 antitrypsin, it is a protein which is produced by liver cells. Okay, liver cells. But then it has, though it is produced by liver cells, it actually takes care of lung tissue, which otherwise would get destroyed by an enzyme called, so okay, which otherwise it can, like there are certain sensitive part of lung, which is you can consider as the sensitive tissue, okay, which can easily destroyed by certain enzymes, which are called as neutrophil protease. Okay, neutrophil protease. So these enzymes can easily attack our own cells, that is the sensitive cells in lungs. So these liver cells, they produce this factor or the protein that is alpha 1 AT, that is alpha 1 antitrypsin, which balances the effect of neutrophil, and hence it keeps the lung healthy. If this is absent, okay, if this is absent, then that will lead to emphysema, which is a lung disease. Lung disease. So if we have to treat lung disease, what we have to do? If we have to treat lung disease here, we have to use that is alpha 1 antitrypsin. So it is not that any lung disease can be treated by this, but since we are just particularly asking about lung disease, so we are saying that yes, alpha 1 antitrypsin can be utilized to treat lung disease. Okay, let us see. Option B says beta toxin. What is Bt toxin? Sorry, Bt is nothing but Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, Bt is what? Bacillus thuringiensis. This is a toxin which is produced by Bacillus thuringiensis, and this is effective against certain insects. Okay, for example, lepidopteran, coleopterans. Okay, lepidopterans, coleopterans, dipterans, etc. Coleopterans and dipterans. Okay, so these the gene for this particular Bt toxin could be easily introduced into the cells of the plants, and those plants can become resistant to all these group of animals, dipterans. Okay, dipterans. Okay, yeah. Now, so here it is not used for human usage at all, so hence it is ruled out. Option C says lactalbumin. Lactalbumin is related to the protein which is present in milk. So that is not used for treating lung disease. Hence it is ruled out. Option D says all of the above, which is again ruled out. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.